Did you know that adding just a few extra grams of fiber to your diet each day could make your health better? Imagine what eating fiber could do for your digestive system, your weight management, and even your heart health. What if I told you that most of us are missing out on one of the simplest ways to feel healthier, and it's easy to add to your diet? In today's video, we'll explore 8 powerful reasons why you should eat more fiber every day. These reasons go beyond just improving digestion. They're essential for keeping your body fit, strong, and disease-free. Stay tuned to find out how adding fiber to your daily routine can make a world of difference. Let's dive into the amazing benefits of fiber. 1. Improved digestive health. One of the most important reasons to add more fiber to your diet is the improvement it brings to digestive health. Fiber acts like a broom for your intestines, cleaning them out and ensuring your body stays regular. Insoluble fiber, found in whole grains and vegetables, is known for preventing constipation and promoting healthy bowel movements. This is key to reducing the risk of diverticular disease and maintaining a healthy gut. Moreover, fiber helps food move smoothly through your digestive tract, preventing discomfort like bloating. With fiber in your diet, your gut becomes a more efficient system, ensuring your body gets rid of waste properly. Plus, fiber encourages the production of beneficial gut bacteria, supporting overall gut microbiome health. 2. Weight management. By slowing down digestion, high-fiber foods can help you feel full longer after you eat. This helps reduce overeating and thus reduces overall calorie intake. Studies have found a correlation between higher fiber intake and lower rates of obesity. Fiber-rich foods generally require more chewing, which signals your body to release hormones that make you feel satisfied. Additionally, fiber helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those quick spikes and crashes that often trigger hunger cravings. Fiber also promotes a healthy gut microbiome, which can further enhance the feeling of satiety and encourage weight loss. By increasing satiety and reducing hunger, fiber becomes an essential ally in any weight management plan, especially for those looking to maintain a healthy weight long-term. 3. Blood sugar control. Soluble fiber slows the absorption of sugar in the digestive system, stabilizing blood glucose levels and improving insulin sensitivity. This makes it particularly beneficial for individuals managing or at risk of type 2 diabetes. By moderating how sugar enters the bloodstream, fiber helps to avoid dangerous spikes in blood sugar, which can lead to complications like nerve damage or heart disease. A steady blood sugar level helps with overall energy management throughout the day and prevents mood swings. With the increasing prevalence of diabetes worldwide, fiber's role in managing blood glucose is more important than ever. Additionally, incorporating fiber into your diet can improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to manage glucose more effectively and reducing the risk of diabetes in the long run. 4. Lower cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber binds to bile acids in your digestive tract, preventing their reabsorption into your body and promoting their excretion. Since bile acids are made from cholesterol, your liver has to use more cholesterol to make new ones. This helps lower your total cholesterol levels, including bad LDL cholesterol, which is good for your heart health. Eating a diet rich in fiber can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases by managing cholesterol levels effectively. Fiber also plays a role in lowering triglyceride levels, which further benefits heart health by reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. Furthermore, fiber supports the reduction of inflammation, a key factor in cardiovascular disease, ensuring that your arteries remain clear and your blood pressure stays stable. By keeping cholesterol in check, fiber plays an essential role in maintaining heart health and protecting against heart disease and stroke. 5. Enhanced gut microbiome and immune function. Soluble fiber, particularly prebiotic fibers, fibers that get fermented in the gut, serves as food for beneficial gut bacteria. These fibers help foster a healthy gut microbiome, which has been linked to improved immunity, better digestion, and even enhanced mental health. Beneficial bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, that reduce inflammation and support colon health. A balanced gut microbiome not only supports digestion, but also plays a key role in regulating immune responses, potentially reducing the risk of infections and autoimmune conditions. The gut-brain connection has also been well documented, with a healthy microbiome contributing to improved mood and cognitive function. Consuming enough fiber keeps your gut bacteria in check, contributing to both your physical and mental well-being. Moreover, a balanced microbiome has been linked to improved metabolic health, reducing the risk of obesity and related conditions. 6. Reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. A high-fiber diet has been associated with a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Fiber can help reduce blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and decrease inflammation, all of which support cardiovascular health. When fiber binds to bile acids and helps eliminate them from the body, it also reduces the amount of cholesterol circulating in the bloodstream. This has a direct effect on lowering LDL, bad cholesterol, and improving blood flow. Studies consistently show that a diet rich in fiber can lower the risk of heart disease by up to 30%, showcasing its importance in protecting against cardiovascular issues. The anti-inflammatory properties of fiber also contribute to healthier arteries and veins, making it a critical nutrient in maintaining long-term heart health. Fiber's ability to improve blood circulation and reduce cholesterol provides lasting protection against heart disease and promotes overall cardiovascular wellness. 7. Reduced risk of certain cancers. High fiber intake has been linked to a decreased risk of several cancers, especially colorectal cancer, by promoting a healthy gut environment and reducing inflammation. The production of short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, and timely and proper waste elimination may collectively lower carcinogenic activity in the colon. Fiber helps to maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which can protect against the formation of cancer-causing compounds. Additionally, fiber aids in the elimination of potential toxins from the body, preventing them from accumulating and causing damage to cells. Research shows that individuals who consume higher amounts of fiber have a significantly lower risk of developing colorectal cancer, as well as other digestive tract cancers. Furthermore, fiber's role in reducing systemic inflammation is thought to play a significant role in cancer prevention by creating an internal environment that is less conducive to cancer cell growth. 8. Comprehensive chronic disease prevention. Regular fiber consumption has been inversely associated with the risk of most diet-related chronic diseases such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and cardiovascular diseases. By supporting healthy digestion, weight management, and metabolic health, fiber plays a key role in long-term disease prevention. Fiber works to reduce insulin resistance, regulate blood sugar, and manage cholesterol levels, all of which are crucial factors in preventing chronic conditions. Its role in maintaining a healthy weight and reducing inflammation further enhances its disease-fighting potential, making fiber an essential nutrient for overall health and longevity. Consuming fiber-rich foods helps prevent the onset of conditions like high blood pressure, elevated cholesterol levels, and type 2 diabetes, all of which are risk factors for heart disease and stroke. By supporting multiple systems in the body, fiber contributes to a well-rounded and sustainable approach to health, reducing the need for medications and treatments later in life. How much fiber should you be eating? So, how much fiber should you be eating each day to unlock these amazing health benefits? The recommended daily fiber intake can vary depending on factors like your age and gender. For women under 50, the recommendation is 25 grams of fiber per day, while men under 50 should aim for 38 grams. For women over 50, the recommended intake drops to 21 grams, and men over 50 should consume 30 grams per day. To achieve optimal health, it's important to get fiber from a variety of food sources. This includes whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, seeds, and nuts. It's also essential to gradually increase your fiber intake so your digestive system can adjust to the change. And don't forget to drink plenty of water. Fiber works best when it's supported by adequate hydration to help it move smoothly through your digestive system. So there you have it, 8 powerful reasons to eat more fiber daily for better health. Whether it's improving digestion, lowering cholesterol, or boosting your immune system, fiber is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your overall well-being. If you're looking to add more fiber to your diet, it's as simple as including whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and legumes in your meals. Start small and gradually increase your intake for the best results. Remember to stay hydrated too. Fiber works best when you drink plenty of water. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on health and wellness. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.